Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable curry. We will begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including a variety of colorful vegetables. Next, we will prepare a blend of aromatic spices that are essential for that authentic curry flavor. Then, I will guide you through creating a rich and savory curry base. Finally, we will combine everything to cook a wonderfully satisfying meal, perfect for any occasion. To start, you will need to prepare your vegetables. Finely chop 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Dice 2 medium potatoes and 1 cup of carrots into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. For our spices, measure out 1 teaspoon each of ground turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Also, ensure you have 1 standard 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk on hand. It adds wonderful creaminess. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic, sautéing until softened, which takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your measured turmeric, cumin, and coriander powders, cooking for just 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth, scraping up any brown bits, and simmer for 5 minutes. It's time to bring everything together. Add your diced potatoes, carrots, and 1 cup of fresh or frozen green beans to the pot. Pour in the entire can of full-fat coconut milk, stirring well to combine all ingredients. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious curry hot with rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.